So we're at Sebastopol Library. This is the eastern entrance, and this was all redone last year except for the heritage sections and the facade. This bit's all new. You can see the concrete block wall there, that's new, and here that's new. This fence is new, that wall's all new, and then it joins onto the heritage building here. I have no idea how old this is, possibly early 20th century, late 19th century. So they cleaned all these bricks off. It looks like they've left some sections so that's building in the middle there, that's the oldest part of the library. That's a new wall which connects onto this section, this is the same age as the facade. I don't know how old that is, but they did knock this down. They've repointed some of the bricks. It looks like they've actually replaced bricks there. They look like new bricks. They've done all the windows. They haven't done... It doesn't look like they did the roof of this section. All this is new, the ramps. That corner piece there with the wall that says maternal and child health, that's new. And then this is the facade that they maintained. They fixed the veranda there. Tidied up all this. Yeah, so that was last year, I think, and as mentioned in the previous video, they fixed these historic lampposts up. There's Sebastopol Library and maternal and child health building.